How to fix verification code not coming problem on Twitter. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix verification code not coming for your Twitter X. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So this problem can occur whenever you're trying to log in or whenever you're trying to create an account for your X. So whenever you're trying to do that, if you're using your Gmail or if you're using your phone number, there are a few fixes. So the first step that we'll do is check for our internet connection. So make sure that your internet is connected. I'll just disconnect and connect back again. That is, you will need to reconnect. You can turn on and turn off your airplane mode as well. So doing that will reconnect you to a more stable internet connection. So do that first. And after you do that, what you'll need to do is you can head over to your settings. On your settings, scroll down till you find general. Tap on general and then you'll see iPhone storage. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you'll need to search for Twitter X. So I'll just search for it on the top here. And there it is. Open that up and offload the app. Offloading the app will just free up storage used by the app but keep its document and data. So this will simply clear out the cache of your X, and after you do that, you will need to update the app to the latest version. So for that, head over to App Store, search for X, and after you search for it, simply update it. If you find an update button like this available, tap on the update button to update the app. After you update the app, you're basically good to go. Now you should be getting your verification code coming on whenever you're trying to get verified. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.